Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by isolating whether the issue is hardware or software related. Record a 30-second voice memo and play it back to check the primary microphone. Make a test call using speakerphone to see if the other mic works. Plug in a wired headset with a 3.5 jack and test the inline mic. Restart the phone and test a call after the reboot to clear temporary software issues. Note whether calls, apps, or recordings all fail or only one function fails. Begin with fast solutions that fix most call microphone failures. Restart the phone and then test calls to see if sound returns. Disable Bluetooth to avoid accidental routing to another device during calls. Inspect microphone ports and gently clean them with a soft brush or 1-second bursts of compressed air. Check call and microphone permissions for apps and revoke access for recent apps that control audio. If you installed an update recently, uninstall that update or roll the app back and test again. If quick fixes fail, run the phone's built-in hardware diagnostics to check the mic. Note any microphone error codes and report them to a technician if needed. Test an external microphone or a Bluetooth headset to confirm whether the internal mic hardware is faulty. Back up your data before attempting factory reset and then perform the reset if diagnostics still show issues. For physical damage or failed internal mics, seek professional repair. Typical costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.